The Meghalaya Women's Alliance is a group of women who work silently on many issues and to support other women who face domestic violence and to uplift society. With the increase of drug addicts, the MWA on Friday organized an awareness program at Mauprem Modern High Secondary School. Through the awareness program, they hope that students will take care of themselves and not fall prey to drugs. Speaking to the Secretary of MWA, Dr. Vanessa Karmau-Plang said Meghalaya Women's Alliance is a group of women who silently work to uplift women and children from many issues such as domestic violence, assault and more. She also said society faces huge problems from substance abuse, especially drugs. The association felt the need to create awareness among the youth about drugs.
It's sending by the use of what we call substance.
We will help our students to be able to understand more about the ill effects of drug abuse. Okay. Because as it is, even today we have seen, it's not that the children do not know. There are some students, they know much more with regard to the types and all that, much more even the resource person, from where to procure it. But at the same time, when emphasis is being laid on the ill effects, I think that will have an impact on the young people.
On Saturday,